It's no secret that I've liked Matchbox toys since the late 1960s. My interest began with the smaller cars, but as time went on and Lionel trains came into my life, I began to notice a discrepancy in their scales. At some point in my younger years, I became aware of the larger cars and trucks from Matchbox, known as Speedkings and Superkings. This is a Superkings K-16 whose proportions very closely match those of 1/48th scale O-gauge trains, so it was always one of my favorites. These photos show what it would have looked like when new, but this one is not from my personal collection. What I actually just bought is this. It's not perfect. The white plastic has yellowed quite a bit, but the shipping was very reasonable, and even I can afford $10 for a 50-year-old toy. It's always exciting to get a package in the mail. I like the way that the seller shipped this one. A sturdy box and a decent amount of bubble wrap. From the base of the trailer, you can tell that this casting first came out in 1973. This is just one color scheme of many that Matchbox offered, and believe it or not, it's actually a little bit rare. There should be a refueling hose on either side, but both are missing. The stickers have yellowed, just like the top of the trailer, but nothing is broken, and there are only a few minor chips in the paint. Overall, I think this is in pretty good shape. The tractor cab's white paint will be easy to touch up, and I think I also have a pretty good match for the red. Should I stop there, or remove the yellowed plastic shell, repaint it in white, and then reproduce the graphics as decals? I'm not sure. But I am sure of one thing, and that would be my gratitude for you watching this video. So until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.